Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's see how to install Python interpreter on mobile. Open your Google Play Store and search Pyroid 3. So it is the best interpreter for Python. Let's click on install. It takes some time to install. It's installing. Then click on open. It will take us to the app. So click on first option, then click on continue. What are you planning to use Python 3 for? Click on first option and click on continue. Click on continue. What types of programs are you planning to run? Click on first option and click on continue. Click on cancel button, which is at the top modes. It is the interface of our app. So it is the script to mode. Here let's write a code. Let's print hello world. Print welcome to Pythonwala. Let's run this program on clicking the play button over there. So here you can see the output as welcome to Pythonwala. So this is the script mode. Let's see for interactive mode. So here is the interpreter. Click on that. So it is our interactive mode. So let's print hello. Print hello. Here you can see the output hello. Thank you.